you see, do it so effortlessly. You know when I roll up, I got all eyes on me. Call me the statement piece for my feminine energy. Don't say too comfortable. People make it beautiful, classy, untouchable. Get ready for new. Get ready for new. Fresh look, new style, new me, new way. Get wild. Are you ready for new? Hello to the new. Get ready for new. Are you ready for new? My love was as cruel as the cities I lived in.
Hi, baby
Hi,
Dayan.
baby.
Happy 18th birthday.
birthday.
Sana na ngayon kanyang dawanan ng kaya kang bibo. Maging masaya ka. Alang lungkot. Alupang akakit ni kaya ka. Demi nga ni kaya talaga para maging masaya ka. I love you, baby ko.
I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw you. I don't wanna think of anything else.
Happy 18th birthday, Dayan!
Happy 18th birthday, Dayan!
Happy birthday, Ate Dayan!
And now I see daylight. I only see daylight. Look at the draw only.
Yang, happy 18th birthday. Sana, yan, 18 na ka. English ko kaya ka. Akamit mo yung kaya ganaganang pangarap mo kaya na kami mo kining mama mo para suportan da ka poreng kapatad mo. Balo ko kamasyadong masayangin eh. Balo mo na, balo ko. Tuloy-tuloy mo muna yung kaya kang basta pangako kaya na kaya da ka paboren. Di kami dong mama mo, katareng kapatad mo. Sana ka magbayo na. Uling kayong binyeni nga pong pinakamaganak ang anak niya. I love you, anak. Happy birthday. I love you, I love you, I love you.
High school yay Dayan. O ita, kaya pa mo rin ng anak ko. Ang kaya niya, Dayan. Happy birthday na, 18 na kangeni. Sana kayong pamag-aral mo, wish ko kaya ko na yung pamag-aral mo, tuloy mo. Maging malakas ka loob. Balo ko, malakas ka loob, matapang ka, madiskarte ka. Tuloy mo yan, nak. Yang nga pulot mo ka na ako yan. Basta mamasa ka rin aliwa. Luguran mo rin kapatid mo bilang bunso ka. Susunod ka nung nanoy tang masanting nga payo da kaya ka. Yan yung nung nanoy tang tiro kung mayap kaya ka. Dalan mo ang daken tumuwa ka. Lakwan da ka man ketiking yato. At least, ating ko nga alakwa na masanting nga kaya ka. Kaluguran da kang kaluguran sobra na. Tandaanan mo yan. Na ka magbayo, kareng kapatid mo kung kayo na mo. Kareng pamilya mo, kareng tita mo, kareng kaluguran mo. At dakala salamat na kilugod mo ka na. Happy birthday na. I love you.
Things will never be the same. Been sleeping so long in a 20-year dark night. Now I'm wide awake. Now I see daylight. I only see daylight.
Hi birthday, Dayan. Sana ngening 18 na ka. Balo mo na nung dapat gawin mo keng biye, tsaka kapag ating ang problema, at kaya mo kening ating mo para kaya ka. Lalo na minsan, syempre, dalang din yung panahon na ako kami man yan, kembale, pero at kami lagi keni. Chat mo kami mo. O ita mo, Day, and mo kakalingwan na hanggang pangarap mo. Bakit? Kanya dalang king gulot. Wish ko, kay para kaya ka, Day, sana achieve mo nga niyang gamburi mo. I-achieve kemye. Knowing naman na mag-aaral ka mo sa lesson. At saka pilihan mo rin bagay na makapagpasaya ka. Kasi, lalo na, ngayon ang panahon na yun, kapag dintang time na ala na kami, or mo na kami abay ang bale, ikan ang dili mo, mag-build ka sa sarili mo.
Happy birthday! I love you, baby!
Think of anything else now that I thought of you. Things will never be the same. Been sleeping so long in a 20-year dark night. Now I'm wide awake. Now I see daylight. I only see daylight. I only see daylight, 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 daylight. I only see daylight, 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 daylight. And I can still see it all. All of you, all of me. I once believed love would be, but it's golden. And I can still see it all. Back and forth from New York. I once believed love would be, but it's golden. Like daylight, daylight. I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw you. I can never look away. And I don't wanna think of anything else now that I thought of you. Things will never be the same. I've been sleeping so long in a 20-year dark night. And now I see daylight. See daylight. Only see daylight. I only see daylight, 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 daylight. Like daylight. It's golden, like daylight. You gotta step into the daylight and let it go. Just let it go.